told your friend you're not okay? And tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way.
Welcome to Curve Nova 2, where confidence meets curves, where every model is recognized for her unique beauty and originality. Today, we're placing the spotlight on the vivacious Brazilian creator and model, Kerolay Chaves. Known for her bubbly demeanor, fashion sense, and inspiring social media presence, Carol has grabbed the hearts of over 5.4 million Instagram followers by sharing her true self with the world. Born and bred in Brazil, Carol grew up surrounded by culture, color, and creativity. From an early age, she acquired a passion for fashion and self-expression, inspired by women who embraced their originality and radiated confidence. As she began sharing her life online, her natural charisma, energy, and unique style immediately garnered attention, turning her into one of Brazil's most beloved digital creators. Carol's material is a blend of fashion, lifestyle, and joyful moments that connect with her viewers on a personal level. She offers everyday clothing, dance clips, and glimpses of her personal life, from her love for cooking and reading to watching shows, and the basic joys of life. Through these posts, Carol shows that beauty isn't just about appearance, but also about the energy, confidence, and positivity you carry into the world. Her warmth, fun, and real nature make her relevant and motivating to millions. Her dress taste is vibrant, varied, and full of confidence. Whether she's wearing casual streetwear, beach looks, or dazzling party ensembles, Carol carries herself with pride and encourages others to embrace their own style and shape with self-assurance. She believes that fashion is a means of self-expression and that every person deserves to feel beautiful in their own flesh. At Curve Nova 2, we celebrate innovators like Kerolay Chaves, women who promote self-love, individuality, and confidence every day. Her experience shows us that genuineness, positivism, and a joyous heart are the true characteristics of beauty. She continues to influence, motivate, and connect with audiences globally, illustrating that social media can be a platform for empowerment and celebration of real-life charm. Thank you for viewing Curve Nova 2, where confidence meets curves. Remember to stay inspired, keep confident, and always enjoy your own beauty. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe for more tales of outstanding creators who are revolutionizing fashion and self-expression.
I know you told your friend